Hey guys, this is going to be part one of a two-part video where we turn a bowl. In this video we're going to turn the green bowl, so this still has a little bit of moisture in the wog. We're going to turn it down. If you guys need to see how to cut out a bowl blank, I've already made a video on that. You can see it up here. The next video hopefully will be on finishing this bowl up. Now we're just going to attach a waste block to this bowl blank. This isn't a necessary step, but this lets me carve my bowls a little bit deeper, and it makes it easier to mount on the chuck. So we're going to just use a little bit of medium CA glue to glue this together. And then we're going to throw it on the lathe and start turning it around. Once we have everything round, we're gonna try and get our final shape that we want for the outside. Once we have our shape done, we're going to square up our ends. Once everything is squared up, we can start carving out the inside of our bowl. A lot of people like to drill this out to save some time. I am still learning on the lathe, so I just really like turning, including carving out the inside part. It's, I don't know, just satisfying to me. So I usually like to carve these out, even though it takes a little bit longer than just getting it carved out with like a Forstner bit. And then carving in the sides is definitely my favorite part. It's just super satisfying. So now you can see I have my inside edge kind of carved out, but there's a lot of lines and it's a little bit harsh. So I'm just taking my rounded chisel and going in and kind of evening all that out, trying to get it to be a consistent wall width. This may be our most important step at this point, and that is filling up a little box or paper bag with the wood shavings that we just made from this bowl, putting the bowl in the box or bag, and then putting a bunch of wood shavings on top. This is going to make sure that it dries out evenly and prevents cracks. You're going to want to check this with a moisture meter every couple days and see how it's coming. Once it's dried out to the wood that you normally would work with, you're good to throw it back on the lathe. Hey guys, if you like this video and want to see how we finish the bowl, make sure you subscribe, give us a thumbs up below, and if you have any questions, leave us a comment.